Now let's see this problem. A number leaves a remainder of 61 when divided by 136. Find the remainder when the number is divided by 34. Further, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so here divisor is 136. Let the quotient be x, and what the remainder is, it is 61. So we have the number as 136x plus 61. Now we have to divide this particular number by 34 and find out the remainder. So let's divide. Now we have to see whether 136 is multiple of 34 or not. Okay, so let's check 34 when we are going to get 6 at the units place. If this 4 is multiplied by 4, so it's okay. So 34 fours are 136. That means we are not getting any remainder from this expression. Now we have to find out the remainder when 61 is divided by 34. That means it will be 34 twos are 68. That means it is less than 68. So what will be the remainder? That is 61 minus 34. That is 27. Okay, so this will be the correct choice. Okay friends, now let's see this problem. What is the largest number that divides 23, 37 and 79, leaving the same remainder in each case? First of all, we have to find out the mutual difference, since division is a repetition of subtraction. So let's subtract 23 minus 23 from 37. So 37 minus 23 is 7 minus 3 4, and 3 minus 2 1. Then let's subtract 79 minus 37. It's 9 minus 7 2, 7 minus 3 4. Then 79 minus 23. It's 9 minus 3 6, and 7 minus 2 5. So we are looking for the HCF of 14, 42 and 56, and that will definitely be 14. So 14 is the correct choice. Okay friends, even it can be factor of 14 also, but we have been asked about the largest number. That's why it is 14 only. Okay friends, I hope you are clear. Now let's see this problem. The least number of 5 digits which is exactly divisible by 12, 15 and 18. Okay, now we have to find out the LCM of 12, 15 into 12, 15 and 18. Then any multiple of this LCM which is having 5 digits will be the answer to the problem. But friends, we can even go by elimination of options. Let's do it. Okay, now our answer should be multiple of 12, 15 and 18 as well. Okay, now let's see whether option A is a multiple of them or not. So option A, whether we check it whether it is divisible by 9 or not, since 18 is having 9 in it. Okay, so it's not divisible by 9 since the sum of digits is 2 only, so it cannot be the right choice. Similarly, it is 5, 6 and 7, so it cannot be the right choice. 2 and 1 3, even it won't be the right choice. So we are left with this, since it is divisible by 9 and it is an even number, so definitely it will be divisible by 18. Okay, so and we are having none of these over here, so definitely it will be the right choice. No need to go for paperwork. Okay friends.